How to use Airtable for budget tracking. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can use Airtable for budget tracking. So using Airtable for budget tracking is a great way to keep an eye on your finances. And here is how to get started. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to your home page, you can see your home, you can see start from scratch, quickly upload templates, and then you can see other things, and then you can see the Airtable logo as well. So once you can see this, the next step is to start with a base for your budget tracking or use a template if available. All right, so to start with a base, just I'll be making use of base here. So after selecting your base, you'll be brought to your base interface. All right, where you'd see your views, you'd see the tables etc. So as you can see this, the next step is set up your tables. Yeah, you have to create tables for different categories like income, expenses, saving, etc. So for example, under table 1, you would have to rename it. You can just save it as savings. Okay, savings, and then you can make this income. All right, just rename it as the income table. All right, and then you would ensure that the writings in each of these table is a reflection of the title. So under the savings tab, ensure that you customize the tables to fit your needs. Okay, so you customize your tables, customize your feeds, add feeds for dates, amount, categories, and notes to track details of your transactions. Okay, so you can just change all of these names to dates, to amount, and categories, and notes to track the details of your transactions. Then the next thing, if necessary, that is, if you want to link records between your savings and your income, you have to create a linking field between the tables to correlate income with expenses or to track saving goals. And to do this, just move to the right side of the table, click on the plus icon, select the field type as linked to another record, and then you can just select the other record, which is income now. Okay, income, and then select it, create field, and just like that the field will be linked. And then you can also use formulas. You can implement formulas to automatically calculate totals, averages, or financial metrics. And then you can also create views. Yes, by moving to the left side of the screen, you can see the different views. You can utilize any of them. And then once you've done that, you can also automate your tasks by making use of the automation option, and then you can also collaborate with your team members or your family members to manage your finances together. So this is how it works. This is how you can use a table for budget tracking. Thanks for watching and have a good day.